Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power at the breaker and verifying the fixture is dead with a non-contact tester. This prevents shocks. Next, get a stable ladder, gloves, replacement bulb or tube, screwdriver, and a helper to steady you and pass parts. Once done, position the ladder directly under the fixture and clear the floor below to protect the bulb and yourself. Make sure the replacement matches wattage and base type, so you avoid overload or poor contact. You remove the cover by unscrewing or unclipping it while supporting the lens, because a slip would break the glass. Then, depending on the lamp, twist the bulb 1/4 to 1/2 turn for a screw base, or pull straight out for a pin-style tube. Do this slowly to avoid bending pins. Once free, inspect the socket and visible wiring for corrosion, loose screws, or melted insulation. This tells you if the fixture needs repair rather than just a replacement bulb. You insert the new bulb, seating it firmly and evenly. Twist or push until it clicks or is snug. Proper contact prevents flicker. Replace the cover and carefully descend the ladder because most failures happen when people rush exiting. Restore power at the breaker, then use the fixture switch to test the lamp. If it fails to light, make sure the breaker is on, reseat the bulb, and check socket contacts. If problems persist, cut power and inspect wiring, or call a licensed electrician.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.